Good day mga kabengbeng, welcome to Mr. Yohay Pabi. Yan. So, congratulations po kay Sir Archie ng Valenzuela pang 109 raffle. So, ang napili po niya. So, by the way, number 62, yung lucky number. So, isa lang po yung taya niya. So, napakaswerte ni Sir. So, ang napili po niya ay yung ating R614-1. Yan, so yung ating Army Armament na Pit Viper. Yan, so magazine capacity 30 rounds. Yan, so may base pad, may logos. So may previous na sticker and also may previous din siya na mag, no. Yan. And then ito yung kanyang unit. Yan, so napaka-solid, napakaswerte ni Sir. Yan. Yan, quick review lang po tayo. Compensator, serration, logos and markings, extended mag release, aggressive stapling, naka-magwell, naka-ambidextrous safety left and right, and then naka-fiber optic front sight, and then adjustable rear sight, and then pwede ring remove for lagyan ng mount for optic, and also meron siyang railings ready for attachment. Yan. So napili ni Sir. So then umorder si Sir ng green gas 12 kg. Yan. Yan, so test part natin. Napaka-solid, napakaganda. So passing magazine, clicking sound, kasa, release. Always trigger finger out, toy only. So check natin yung so 0.23 yung kanyang BBs, no. So may magazine, may gas na rin po yan. Then BBs. Test fire natin. Oh, lakas. Oh, lakas naman ito. So test fire natin, test fire. Yan, so nag-slide lock na po siya, ibig sabihin wala na po siyang BBs or bala. Yan, so sa toy only, always trigger finger out, release natin yung magazine. Release natin yung slide. Yan, so press the trigger, then hammer down. Yan, so congratulations po Sir Archie ng Valenzuela. Ito na po yung inyong Army Armament na Pit Viper R614-1. Ready to ship na po. Thank you.